Hello guys, this is Aribrix back here. I got something to show you. Love it so much. And when your brother says, "Did you like that plane?" then you will say, "You like it?" Then the another guy says, the one who watched it, he says, "Like it? I love it." So here is the plane. This is the plane I made after the one I made before. I wanted to get more viewers for this. Well, let's get started. So this plane has a sharp nose. It has those mud guards for a shield. They are used to shoot anything that is trying to attack it. Well, we will talk about the back wings and the front wings. The front wings, the engines are so small and but little bit visible. You know, the engines are small but very neutral fast. And this plane, it has one wheeler in this side. It's like the other planes because I changed my 728 plane. Then these wheels, they are just a wheel style. That doesn't mean this company is old. This airlines is not old. So look at this. The wing doesn't look like the 60367. You know, I changed the 60337. I meant 60637. Then, you know, I added this gap for some comfortness, like some this thing, it closes up but it remains open when it's flying. Don't worry, it's just a open window which gives you AC. So there are also less windows, but different windows here. This looks like a house plane. So well, we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. I'll see you next time. I'll come here if you love it. I'll make a better one. So bye guys. See you next time.